Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Cabify application not working on your iPhone. There can be few reasons why the Cabify application is not working properly. So here are some of the things you can try to fix the issue. The first thing to do is to check your internet connection. Cabify relies on a good internet signal to function properly, so make sure that you've turned on your Wi-Fi signal or your mobile data signal. Make sure you have the strong Wi-Fi or mobile data coverage and try moving to a different location if you suspect a weak signal. Now the next thing to do is to update your Cabify application. Open up your App Store from your iPhone. In the search box at the top of the screen, type in Cabify and search. Outdated application can sometimes malfunction, so make sure to open up the app and then check if there is an update available. If there is, you will be able to see an update button instead of open. Simply tap on update and you should be able to download and install the latest version of Cabify app on your device. If that still doesn't fix your issue, the next thing to do is to restart the application and your phone. Push off from the bottom of the screen upwards and you should be able to see all of your app cards displayed on the screen. Simply push upwards for the Cabify app card and close it off like that. Soon after you do that, you will be able to force quit your Cabify app. Now, restart your device by pressing the power switch and clicking on restart. After you've done that, you might be able to fix your issue. So those were some of the few simple steps that can help your Cabify application not working issue. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.